Well, here I am again. It's Wednesday, Aldi Finds Day, and I just walked into the store, and it looks like they're going to be putting out a lot of things for you to set up your garden or your lawn. Actually, spring is here, although it doesn't feel like it. Here they have some landscape fabric. It says landscape fabric, and you can see how it's put down on the ground to control weeds. And that is a $4.99 for the roll. And next to it are pop-up garden bags. I'll get close so you can see what they look like on the box. And they're by Garden Line, and they're $6.99 each. And over here, well, they don't have them out of the box, but they are, let's see, flexible downspout extenders. And here they are. They're all in the box in black, dark brown, and white. And those are $6.99. And then moving over, this is all when you first walk in the store. These are walk-in greenhouses, ideal for propagation and growing flowers and vegetables. And they are $29.99. I think they say on the box 47 feet wide by 24 feet deep and 6.4 feet high. So there on the box, sideways, you can see what it looks like. Over here in the boxes are wooden potting benches. I'll get close so you can see what they look like. And they are $39.99. And next to it, well, I can't really show you what they look like because there's none out of the box, but they're raised garden beds for $19.99. Let me see if I can get up there on the top of the box. Here you go. Gives you a little idea of what they look like. It says open bottom encourages healthy plant growth, protection for plants and flowers, and suitable for various surfaces, easy, tool-free assembly. So there they are for $19.99. So this is all when you first come in the store. Now I'm going to head over to the Aldi Finds aisle. These are called Gardening's Wiggle Owls. They have quite a few of them. They're $9.99, and if you look at them, the head wiggles. See that? So I guess you can use them for decorations on your garden or whatever. Well, here they have Kirkton House crystal print area rugs. They're $49.99. There's a picture on the box, and there's a few different prints here that you can see. That one's pretty. It's like a peach and earth tone colors and teal. And then next to it is the Disney character game rug. So this is the rug that you unroll and put it on the ground. It's over 5 feet wide. Looks like it comes with a few little trucks on top. And that is $24.99. These are 15-inch planters. They're really nice. They say for indoor or outdoor. They have white, well, it's an off-white, gray. That's sort of, it's not showing up on the camera, but it's sort of like a teal color. And then they have like a light green. And it says indoor or outdoor. I don't know what they're made out of. It's some type of a plastic. And that's what the inside looks like. And they are only $9.99 each. So actually, I'm due for some new planters for my patio. I couldn't decide whether I wanted the teal or the gray, but I'm going to go with the gray. Here we have some professional garden pruners, and these are $5.99 each. And next to them, for $6.99, are window bird feeders. Here we have your choice of storage straps. And here's the pictures on the box. And here they are up here, hook and hang. This says easy carry rapid. And this says heavy duty rapid. And you get your choice for $4.99. Up here are boxes of dual head plant grow lights for $9.99. Up here are rechargeable LED work lights. It says cold white, warm white, and neutral white. And it says for indoor and outdoor use, and they are $12.99 each. Down here are boxes, but they're all closed. They're ladies' memory foam trainers. I'll try to get in close so you can see them. And it looks like they have sizes 7 through 10. And they are $14.99 each. Down here are ladies' travel shirts. They say elastic. It says here high wear comfort and easy care, relaxed fit. And it looks like they have black and white in there, and their sizes small through extra large, and they are $12.99 each. Down here are, looks like ladies travel trousers, sizes small through extra large. I'm seeing a gray in there and maybe a black, and they are $12.99 each. Here are 2 packs of Crane Seamless Comfort bras, and it looks like they come in a light green, a white, and a black. Size is small through extra large, and they are $9.99 for the pack of 2. Here are Crofton's large flower serving assortments for $12.99. That's a pink, that's oval, and I'm looking in the back. There is a peach color, there's a purple, and there's another one. So it looks like they basically have either the oval platter, the dish, or the bowl, and they're $12.99. Here are sets of glass mixing bowls with the lids by Crofton, and there are 8 pieces in there. I guess there's 4 bowls and 4 lids, and they're clear with different color lids, and they are $14.99 for the box. Here's Crofton's 2-quart cast iron Dutch oven. Looks like it comes in pink. There's a dark red, and there's purple. At least that's what I can see. And those are $19.99 each. Here are Baker's storage sets, and they're a 4-piece set for $16.99. It shows you on the box what you get in there. So I'll show you what it's on the top of the box. It's for storing your baking goods, your flour, your brown sugar, your nuts, and you get a scoop with it. These are 4.3-quart saute pans with the lid, and it looks like they have a cream color and a light blue, and they are $24.99 each. And here is a set of 2 fry pans. You get an 8-inch and a 10-inch. And I see they have a cream and they have the light blue. They all have like a brass colored handle. Now, there is no price on this. These are non-stick. You can use them on electric, gas, glass ceramic, halogen. I'll hand wash them. Now, I'm not sure if they're both $24.99, the one big one or the 2 small ones, but they have those here. Up here are the Ambiano mini waffle makers. They've been around for a long time. Looks like they have them in, I'll move into the box, 3 different colors. It almost looks like a pink. There's like a light blue and maybe a green, or no, it's a teal. And those are $7.99 each. Over here are Crofton's speckled reinforced silicone bakeware. And they come in different sizes. I'll show you on the box. There's the muffins, the loaf pan, the rectangle, and the square. And it looks like you get a set of 2, and they are $6.99. Wow, these are big up here. These are 40-ounce thirst crusher tumblers. And they have stripe, they have floral. It shows you on the box the different colors and styles they have. And those are $9.99 each. Here are Loctite Super Glue. It says Ultra Glue, no drip or run, impact and water resistant and flexible. You can get your choice of the control gel or the control liquid, and those are $3.99 each. Here are ladies' premium running tights, premium running leggings with mesh panels and a crossover waistband. I'll get in a little closer so you can see. It looks like they have purple, a light green, and black. Size is small through extra large, and they are $12.99 each. These are 27-gallon storage boxes. And it says here these are for a limited time only. And they are $9.99 each. And they have out here black and yellow. Down here, and I'm not sure if they had these last Wednesday, was the wooden plant ladder stand. I'll show you the pictures on the box to show you what they look like. It says you can enhance your indoor or outdoor space. They have a durable wooden frame and ideal shelving for garden pots. And they are $24.99 each. If you're still in need of items for the kids' Easter baskets, they still have quite a few things left here from last Wednesday. They have them down in the aisle next to it. So you can pop in and see if they have something you might be interested in. This is new this week. This is a strawberry rhubarb pie, and then they have an apple pie, both ready to bake with hand crimped crust. 2 pounds of real fruit filling, and those are $14.95. Well, I haven't seen this before. This is Mama Cosey's thin crust grilled cheese inspired pizza. Interesting. Bakes in 12 to 15 minutes. And that is, let's see, $4.49 each. They always have a good price on their eggs. Here's large grade A eggs, $1.66 a dozen. Here we have a box of 4 Spring Bunny ice cream pops from the Aldi Sunday shop. And those, let me see, are $2.59 a box. Here are from the Fremont Fish Market 4 shrimp skewers, a Mexican-inspired recipe with chipotle, garlic, and sea salt. And they are $6.49 each. Here's a frozen family-size chicken and cheese enchiladas. Corn tortillas filled with a blend of chicken, sauce, and cheddar cheese, topped with sauce and a blend of cheese on a layer of seasoned rice. And those are family size, $15.99. It says it serves 8. Here are Fremont Fish Market's wild caught and frozen stuffed clams. Cook and serve, ready in minutes, and you get 9 of them in here for $5.99. Here from the Fremont Fish Market again are extra jumbo bags, 2-pound bags of raw shrimp. I'm sorry, they're deveined, shell and tail on, and easy peel. Those are $15.99 for the 2-pound bag. And it looks like the Fremont Fish Market brought in a lot of goodies. These are wild caught clam strips. It says golden and crispy. Keep frozen until you're ready to cook. And those are, let me see, $4.49 for the box. Well, the cases are full of ham if you're making ham for Easter. They have the smoked ham butt portion for $1.99 a pound. They have Appleton Farms spiral or a sliced half ham for $2.19 a pound. And let me move over here. Let's see what's over here in this case. This is the Appleton Farmed smoked ham shank portion, and those are $1.99. And here, these are what I like. The Appleton Farms boneless spiral sliced ham, $3.95 a pound. Well, all good things must come to an end. So I hope you enjoyed, once again, our little tour down the Aldi Finds aisle. You know, it's only 11 more days till Easter. I wonder what they're going to have next. So anyway, I hope to see you all again next week. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. You know I love you all. And I'll see you soon. Toodles.